Good morning, students. So let's continue with our chapter linear equations in one variable. Today we are going to do the questions from exercise 2.6. So let us start. See question number 5 of exercise 2.6. 7y plus 4 over y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Now here we have to find the value of y. For that, what we will be doing? We have to do the cross multiplication. So after cross multiplication, 3 will get multiplied with 7y plus 4 and minus 4 will get multiplied with this y plus 2. Now what we have to do? We have to open the brackets on both the sides. 3 into 7y, 21y plus 3 4s are 12 minus 4 into y, minus 4y, minus 4 into 2, minus 8. Now beta, what we have to do? We have to combine the like terms. So 21y minus 4y will come on the left hand side. It will become plus 4y minus 8. And this plus 12, when it will go on the right hand side, it will become minus 12. So now 21y plus 4y is 25y, minus 8 and minus 12 is minus 20. Y is equal to minus 20 divided by 25. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So the value of y is minus 4 by 5. See the next question number 6. The ages of Hari and Harry are in ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Now, what we have to do? First of all, we have to suppose the present age of Hari and Harry. And what they are saying? That the age of Hari and Harry are in which ratio? It is in the ratio 5:7. So now, let us suppose that let the present age of Hari is 5x years. Now what is the age? What is the ratio of the age of Hari and Harry? 5:7. So when we remove the ratio sign, we write any constant with it and let us say that constant is x. So let the present age of Hari is 5x years and present age of Harry is 7x years. Right? After that, what they are saying? 4 years from now. 4 years from now means after 4 years. Now, so after 4 years, age of Hari is 5x plus 4 years and age of Harry is 7x plus 4 years, right? So now this is the equation for this question. Now we have to solve this for finding the value of x. What we will be doing? We will cross multiply. Now after cross multiplication, this 4 will get multiplied with 5x plus 4 and this 3 will get multiplied with 7x plus 4. Now 5 4s are 20x plus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 7 3s are 21x plus 3 4s are 12. Right? Now 16, bring 12 on the left hand side, it will become minus 12 and bring that 20x on the right hand side, it will be minus 20x. So 21x minus 20x is x, 16 minus 12 is 4. So the value of x is equal to 4. what we have to find? We have to find the present age of both. So after getting the value of x, we have to find their present ages. So beta, we have to write, therefore present age of Hari. Present age of Hari is 5 into 4, 20 years, and present age of Harry is 7 into 4, 28 years. Right? So I hope the question is clear to you. First of all, you have to suppose their present ages. Then whatever years, after some years or before some years ago if it is given, or after some years it is given to you, then you have to suppose their ages according to that, and then you have to make the equation. And after finding the value, you have to find their present ages. Right? So this is question number 6. See the next question, number 7. The denominator of a rational number is greater than the numerator by 8. If numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. So for this, first of all, we will suppose that what is the numerator and what is the denominator. And in the question they are saying the denominator of a rational number is greater than the numerator by 8. So if the numerator is x, then the denominator is x plus 8. Right? The denominator is greater than the numerator by 8. So if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, then the number obtained is 3 by 2. Now this is numerator and this is denominator. What will be the rational number? Rational number is what? It is numerator over denominator form. So what they are saying, that if numerator is increased by 17, numerator is x, increased by 17 means if we add 17 to the numerator. If numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1, what is the denominator? X plus 8. Decreased by 1 means minus 1. Then what is the number obtained? 3 by 2. Right? So see the equation once again. If numerator is increased by 17, numerator is x, we have added 17 to it and it is increased by 17. So if numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1, decreased by 1 means minus 1, then after the changes, what will be the number obtained? It will be 3 by 2. So this is our required equation. Now we have to solve it. X plus 17 over x plus 8 minus 1 is 7. So x plus 7 is equal to 3 by 2. Now next step is to do the cross multiplication. 2 into x plus 17, 3 into x plus 7, 2x plus 34 is equal to 3x plus 21. 34 minus 21 is equal to 3x minus 2x. 21 will come here on the left hand side and it will be subtracted, and 2x will go on the right hand side and it will be 3x minus 2x. So 34 minus 21 is 13. 3x minus 2x is x. So our x is 13. Now what we have to find? We have to find the rational number. So bete, so now our x is 13. Therefore, what is the numerator? 13. And what is the denominator? It was x plus 8, it means 13 plus 8, 21. So therefore, rational number is numerator over denominator, that is 13 by 21. So bete, revise these 3 questions properly and do it in your fair notebook. Take care. See you in next class. Thank you.